First and foremost, let's appreciate the fact that the Attorney General, despite not being too well, is here with us, at 7:20 this morning to make a very important announcement that concerns all of you. I just want to be very brief. We have created a culture at AFL where we have created an environment that is conducive for learning and growth. And each and every one of you have partaken in that culture and brought about significant improvements in the way we go about doing our business. So thank you all of you for embracing that culture. So throughout the year we appraise your performance, and many of you have been recognized for the individual performances and have been given promotions or increase in pay. However, today we have an announcement from the Honorable Attorney General where, based on our financial performance for the year, there is good news for everyone across the board. It's the end of the year before Christmas. We reflect upon what we have done. It's a great year. I don't want to give some of the figures that the Attorney General will give to you. Government is 100% shareholder in Airports Fiji Limited. We need to seek government's approval, and we need to ensure we continue to work in accordance with government's philosophies to ensure that we have a great working culture that in turn translates into better service to our passengers, to our visitors, and in turn to the tourism industry, and then overall to the economy as a whole. So thank you very much. I'll now let the Honorable Attorney General to make the important announcement and say a few good words.
Now, what I'd like to announce today is that all of you are getting a 5% bonus for the year across the board. So you'll get a bonus of 5% across the board, all of you, because of the financial performance of AFL. AFL has only about 7-8 years ago was making losses. This year is projected to be making a profit after tax of $32 million. With that, of course, you are able to fund what you're doing at the moment. You see behind me, but also government recognizes the fact that the staff, there has been a cultural change. There has been a shift in terms of the level of professionalism that, of course, continues and needs to improve as we move along. And in fact, we've become a major, modern economy in this part of the world. The 5% bonus, of course, is a recognition. It's not staggered in any way, or it does not only apply to one category of the staff of AFL, but it's across the board, right from the cleaners all the way up to the management level. And we want to obviously be able to tell everybody that it's a team effort. This is why this 5% bonus has been applied. I've been using this example over the past couple of weeks, that sometimes we may think that people who may be doing fairly mundane things are unimportant to the organization. But the day that the driver does not turn up to work, then everybody complains about the driver not turning up to work. The day that the cleaner does not turn up to work, then everybody complains about the dirty toilets. So everybody is very, very important in any organization, whether you're administrative staff, whether you're a senior manager. And that's what we are trying to tell all of you today with this bonus that's been given. It's been approved, of course, by the Prime Minister. It's required under the law, where we seek his approval. Your board had recommended this payment of bonus. We also want to just highlight to you very quickly that with Fiji Airways flying to Singapore from April the 5th next year, you now have Fiji actually flying to every single continent that borders the Pacific Rim except South America. So we are suddenly now a bigger hub than we ever thought we would be. We fly to LA, which is North America. We fly to Hong Kong, which is North Asia. Of course, Korean Airways flies also, which is further up north. We'll be flying to Singapore, which is Southeast Asia. We'll be flying to, of course, we do fly to Australia and New Zealand. So you've got all the areas covered, except South America, which obviously can be our next new frontier. And this obviously produces and introduces wonderful opportunities for us. Many people are already talking about the departure lounge. I know it's not completed. You don't have all the new furniture as in yet, which you'll get in the next couple of weeks. People are already complimenting the type of infrastructure we have. And along with that, of course, is the staffing opportunities that come along with it. It leads to job creation, it leads to job security. It also means that with the airport performing well, the overall opportunity for the company to pay market rates for your services becomes even better. And I think that is something that you need to recognize, that when the company does well, you are able to then have a infrastructure in place, not just only physical infrastructure, but of course human resources infrastructure, and be able to get the people to have better rewards overall. So I'd like to thank you very much for your hard work. I know some of you have been, in the past few years not knowing what specifically has happened. As you know, government has also made the announcement of the divestment of some of our shares. That in no way will affect your positions within the company, but we also see it as an opportunity, as we saw with the Fiji Ports Corporation Limited, where we have a very good relationship and a very good partnership with FNPF, with the Fijian government, and of course with Aitken Spence, which is an overseas and internationally recognized company, bringing in various synergies into the organization that perhaps they could not have had the opportunity to do so previously. In the same way, we're doing Airports Fiji Limited, and we hope to have some good news very soon on it. But nonetheless, in the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, please be assured we're here to support you, we're here to support your board, to be able to ensure that you get rewarded for what you're doing, and that we get to finish this project, which of course everybody's looking forward to. So Vinaka Bakalevu for your services, and I want to wish you all a very good morning, and I think you'll get paid this week, the additional 5%. I wish you all a very good Christmas and a Happy New Year. Vinaka.